What's that?
And now you can't even see down there.
I know. You look over here to the right, it's just solid downpour.
Yeah, oh my god! That thing is raining as far as whoa!
There's some more for you.
Jeez. Oh yeah, feel that mist.
That mist ain't gonna be too fun. So Al, tell us about your experience of the rainstorm in Little Switzerland.
Well, it's very big. I wish I had worn my swimsuit because then I would get under the thing and then let it pour down on me.
Right, and then you'd get on the bike and freeze.
Exactly.
Well, we don't have till 11, so
Right. Well, we better get to your homework then.
yeah.
Look at that. Crazy.
This is the storm we're waiting out. It's about 9 o'clock right now. Radar says we'll get through here about 11, so here's hoping.